with some more practical life, and we're going to do some folding, just like we did yesterday. Remember we made this cloth with the lines on it so that you could see where you wanted to fold. So you end up with a square. Now we're going to show you how you can do that with any shirt around your house. You could use a doll's shirt, that's what we're using. You could use your own shirt or your parents' shirt if they let you try. So come on, friends, lay your shirt down flat. Take the left side of the shirt and match it over to the right side. Then take the bottom of your shirt and match it up to the top. Next time, Amelia, do left to right. Did you do it, Evelyn? So you have a little square, and you can make a nice little pile like that. Now, if you wanted to do some pants, does everyone have their pants? Those are little doll pants. Ready, Evelyn? We're not going to roll. We're going to take the left side of the pants or the shorts, and fold them over. That's right, Evelyn. Other side, Amelia. Good. Now take the bottom of your pants. Perfect, girls. That was perfect. And you have a little square. And then you can make a nice little pile. And you could take your laundry up to your bedroom for Mom and Dad and put it away in your drawer. You think you could do that? Amelia's going to keep folding because she loves folding. Evelyn, are you going to keep folding or are you going to get your baby dressed?
Get my baby dressed.
Okay.
So we're going to fold the dress in half. And then we're going to go ahead and fold it in half again.
Yeah.
And
so
then
you
we
have
can
little
go
squares.
ahead and do it with all the dresses you have.
Yes. Thank you for joining us. Keep your house tidy.